Hey guys, Rick here and Jay. B-roll behind the camera for F's Up Outdoors. It's mid-November, it's cold, it's windy, conditions are perfect. Let's go catch some fish.
Conditions are perfect.
Pulling right off that pole. Oh, he's still on. Okay. Pulling right off that pole there.
F's Up Outdoors, baby.
First walleye of the day.
Keep fighting them. Net caught.
Got the net caught. We're just gonna have to bring him in the old-fashioned way. He's a skinny guy. Long and skinny. On the shaking shed. November, 50-something degrees here on the river. Got that guy. They have to be 18 in this spot to keep. We're going to put him on the board. He's getting the measuring board out. I think he's probably around 18.
Yeah, I think so.
Don't you want to know how big you are? 18 and a half to that tail. He's going in the box. All right.
In the box?
In the box.
Yeah.
Bag him, tag him. Told you boys, you're going to fall out of that. Oh, got hit again. Got him.
There you go. There you go.
Smallmouth. Smallmouth bass. Nice one.
Fish is still biting.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a nice one.
He tried to jump with the net. Hey-oh.
Hey-oh.
Yes, sir. Shaking shad. Get my bag out of the way there.
Trying not to wreck the boat.
Oh man, he engulfed her.
Wanted that one.
Yes, sir, he did.
Nice. 2 for 2. Hook sets.
Yeah.
A couple weeks ago, you couldn't even buy a hook set.
That's when I was using trebles. I only got one hook on here.
You're one hook guy.
One hook kind of guy. There we
This is
go.
what we call a weekend hooker.
Ohio River smallmouth. Still getting them in November. I love the action on these shaking shads, the way that tail wiggles. If I was a fish, I'd eat that.
Hell yeah, you would.
Look at that. That's what we're fishing with today. Got these off the internet. Got a few different colors. This one's a pretty natural color. Got 2 fish on it so far today, and just gonna keep using it.
All natural.
Out fishing Jay again. Back to the natural order of things.
Natural selection.
Fishing. Right at the boat. Right at the boat he hit. Nice smallmouth. Yeah, I think we get him. We'll get him. All right. Switched up colors on the shaking shad. Not because I wanted to, because we casted we casted the one off that I had on. So we switched up to this one that's got some orange in him, and you can tell he's caught some fish. He's getting a little beat up there. He's missing an eye, but I don't think fish care if they're prey. He's got 2 eyes or 1, so. Healthy little guy.
Nice one.
Yep. The bite was slow for a while. We went a couple hours from spot to spot, and we were able to get that one. So let's go see if we can get anything else, and to see if Jay can get his first fish of the day. Now he's swearing back there.
How's that?
Got one. Nice. Right as Jay was saying,
Yeah.
he doesn't know. Got the net out just in case if he's a netter.
He's a netter. Because it's a hybrid striper.
Yeah, it is. Is that a straight white bass? That's a straight white bass.
Species, baby.
Yeah. White bass. Didn't expect that one. Nice white bass.
You gonna pass them back here?
Oh, yeah, what the hell. There you go. Take your fish.
All right. Let's see what we got here. First fish of the day. For me, been real slow.
I have to put him in the cooler since we already got a dead fish in there.
Get the hooks out first. Yeah, you want to keep this guy?
Yeah, like I wouldn't if we didn't already have a fish in there. We might as well. I'll clean it up.
A white bass?
Yeah.
I'll take it. Ooh, I'm getting angry. Good. Let's put him in there. Rick wants to keep him. Got some meat on him, that's for sure. Got him again. Got another one. Yeah, boy. This feels like a big piker, Musky. Big one.
Oh, it's... They got a little musky on there.
Yeah, I'm a musky man.
Now that Jay's a musky man.
Woo!
Hell yeah.
I don't go out now without catching a musky. It's just the way I like to do it. Is that a tiger musky?
I don't know.
Got some different spots or something.
Yeah. Well, looks like it might be a regular musky, just spotted up a little different.
Look at that. Oh, look at those teeth. Oh. You got some gills sticking out.
Yeah, they got a freaking gill hanging out.
Where's the net? Grab that one. It's unfortunately this happens sometimes. Did swim off though.
Fish.
It's a fish.
Sauger.
Nice.
A little small to keep. But...
I thought it was weeds.
I thought it was weeds too. It didn't even fight. It didn't even do one little head shake. Look at that bad boy. No, I think this is a little bit better one.
I might be switching to a crankbait.
Yeah, I could feel him fighting.
We need that.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Feels like another saw dog.
Saw dog or a walleye. Ah, now he's all wrapped in weeds. It is weeds and a fish.
Well, they're heating up though. Okay. Easy release. Another sauger. Ohio River. It's two right in the same spot. Might be onto something. Here's what I'm using. I got a big lipless crankbait with a big red eye on it. I tried to buy this to imitate Old Trusty.
Ah.
What we call Old Trusty lure there. Well, might have to back up there on the Saw Dog Alley.
Go ahead, right over there.
I said again back here on the Ohio River that we found 9-10 foot of water with some weeds and found some fish. They like hiding them weeds, attacking the bait fish apparently. So Getting lucky. Hopefully we get a couple more before sundown. Woo. Getting cold. Getting chilly. I mean, it's been cold all day, but I really feel it when the sun's going down now. A little nip in the air. What'd you put on there, boss?
Ah, a little blue crankbait. Weeds, fish. That's a snack. Monster. Oh, weeds.
Pretty sure. Got a paddlefish. Rick's been wanting to see one for a while. I can see it. Whole fucking tree.
Catch of the day.
That's how you tie a knot, ladies and gentlemen.
Someone's Christmas tree from last year.
Yeah. That's what they say.